Good Sunday morning. That's right, we're going again. We're tweaking Ma Cowles' world's best spaghetti sauce, and we're putting it over rice. 3/4 pound ground beef, 1/4 pound Italian sausage, half a green pepper, 1 medium onion, Worcestershire sauce, tomato juice, that's new, black olives, we will add those at the end, half a can of tomato paste, 1 full can of tomato sauce, basil, oregano, brown sugar, pepper, and garlic. We'll be using 2 slices from this stick of pepperoni. We'll take that out at the end. Instead of canned mushrooms, we're going fresh. And red wine. That's all I've got, Merlot. We're using it. Ma Cowles' best spaghetti sauce in the world from the early 1900s. Tweaked. Ma Cowles' best spaghetti sauce in the world, round 2. Tweaked. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Oh! Seriously? Power. Power went out, man. Power went out. That would be bad. We are at 4 hours. 4 hours of simmering. Ooh. Let's take out the pepperoni. This has been cooking for 4 hours. I think we can take the pepperoni out. Eat the pepperoni if you want. There. We're going to simmer for 1 more hour. You don't have to add the olives. This is half a cup of olives. Very nice. Not as spicy as the last one because we put in less pepper. Olives. I remembered the olives. Big mushrooms. This is very thick. Again, thank you, Bill Cowles, for your mother's recipe. This was fun. I tweaked it. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.